Hey, my name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I try to give you as much information as I can. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice now for like a long time, maybe 38 years. So I know what I'm talking about. And today I want to talk. By the way, I've written a best-selling book. I'm not selling it on Amazon, just letting you know about how to settle your case with IRS. I want to talk to you today if you filed a false return and you want to do something about it. What do you do? Well, first of all, the fact that you're listening to this and you're aware of it, that's a very good sign. There's a likelihood that tax return may get audited by IRS. If it doesn't meet the diff scores or the AI scores that they have, what happens? The tax return goes into IRS. Most people don't know the system. They scan that tax return. They scan every number, every number, and on the tax return there's a number, and then you're putting your number in. So they know when they put that together where the dysfunction is in a tax return. I call it dysfunction. If your score is too high, then they're going to kick that tax return out for audit. So if you have filed a false return and you want to do something about it, this is what you do. First of all, it could be criminal, but what you want to do is you want to beat IRS to correcting or actually work the case. So what you want to do is file a 1040X tax return. You can file a 1040X, which is an amended return for the last 3 years, and you paper file 3 years earlier than that. So generally IRS is only going to look at a 6-year period of time. So the back 3 years you have to paper file. The current 3 years you can e-file. Do you put anything on the return? No, but you file the 1040X. Even if you're going to owe tax, if you feel that tax return was criminal and you don't want to go through IRS looking at that or doing anything with the return, I do suggest you file that 1040X. What's IRS going to do? Well, it all depends if IRS has pulled the case or not. Most returns are not pulled for at least 2 years. So IRS isn't going to look at this probably for 2 years. So just get the returns filed, say a prayer, and cross your fingers. But you want to always beat IRS to the filing. Once you beat IRS to the filing, game's over, you win. If you need us to do that and govern this case and make sure you steer this case right, feel free to call us. I have a bunch of former IRS agents, attorneys. I know the system real well. Thank you for listening today. Give me a subscription. You can go ahead and comment. If there's something more you need to know on this, you can contact me or leave me a comment. Thank you very much for this subscription.